Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Matt here, Northern Outlier. Just wanted to wish everyone happy holidays. Hope everyone had a great Christmas and New Year. And yeah, Santa stopped by the shop here. Got me a new shop stool, so thought I'd do my first unboxing and we'll put it together and check it out. So make sure you like this video, hit subscribe down below if you haven't already. It really helps out the channel, and stay tuned and enjoy. So before we open it up, I just want to show you what I'm working with for a chair. That's my chair there. So it's a chair I got when I was a student. Works fine for garage. Just a little worn out, and yeah, just wanted something different. So this is the new shop stool. It's Dewalt, obviously. I'm a bit of a Dewalt fanboy. I believe they make a stool and a bench. Probably someday I'll get the bench as well, but I really needed a stool. What I'm working with right now is not too good for a chair out here, so yeah, Santa brought this, so let's get into it. Let's take it apart and let's open it up and put it together. That's the main part of the stool. Some parts, instructions. Oh wow, look at that. It's really good quality, I must say. That's like a heavy duty material. And this is solid, that's like solid steel. So in looking at the instructions, it's actually really simple to put together. And they give you a few options actually. So it comes, mine came with the swivel casters already installed. But it actually comes with feet. So these are like feet. So if you didn't want to have the swivel casters on, you could take these off and put on these feet. I'm going to stay with casters for now, but it's really nice that they provided that option. That's great. Anyways, so instructions, really simple. This is your adjustable, what do they call it? Seat strut. It's a seat strut. So you basically take that, kind of push it into place. And then you take your seat. So in the instructions, they have it so this piece actually comes separate, but it was already on here, so I basically just have to set it on top and it's done. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do that now. And then this, I think, just simply goes on. So I must say I'm really impressed with the quality. Really smooth wheels, sliding wheels. Chair goes all the way around, and the chair is feels like a heavier kind of vinyl almost. I'm sure over time it's going to wear down and crack and, you know, look like the chair I have over there. But yeah, it seems really good quality. Smooth operation on the strut. They have this like plastic, it's plastic bits, and then there's like this wire cage. I think the idea being that you can put stuff down here, you can store stuff while you're working. There's not a lot of room, to be honest, so that's kind of, I don't know, I don't really understand the point for this. But the steel seems like it seems really sturdy. And again, smooth operation, good quality seat, smooth wheels. We'll see how I like the wheels. I might end up going to feed at some point, but I have that option. That's nice, right? So anyways, yeah, I don't know. I think it's a good purchase if you need a stool, and yeah, if you love Dewalt, I think it's got the quality too. Yeah, and that's it. So I think overall, this is a great purchase, or a gift from Santa. And we'll see how it goes. It's really smooth, rolling. It's actually perfect height too for a workbench. So right now, I'm gonna move these around and redo my workbenches, but that's a good height. I can sit and work. There's no back support, but that's okay. So it's a nice cushion too, as well on the seat. Overall, great product. So thumbs up so far to DeWalt. I know we just opened it, but yeah, I think it'll be a good addition to the shop. So that's that. My first unboxing, initial look at the Dewalt stool. So we will be doing more of this in the future, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys had a great holiday season again, and really looking forward to what's coming in the new year. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Lots of things happening. Anyways, hit that like button down below, please. Subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.